The most wanted man on earth is hiding somewhere in this city. And today, I'm going to meet him.
A friend of a friend agreed to take me to him. Nobody does this. Nobody.
This is it. The last hideout of a man who once had everything.
One knock, a long pause, and then they let me in. No gold, no army, just silence and drawn curtains. And there he is, smaller than the legend, just a tired man. He looks at me like he already knows how this ends. He tells me he built schools, hospitals. They'll remember me, he says.
They'll remember me.
The man who had a private zoo. Now 2 rooms and a locked door. He carries one photo everywhere. His kids. He hasn't held them in months.
For a moment, he's not a kingpin. Just a father who can't go home.
Then he does the one thing he shouldn't. He calls his son. Across the city, machines lock onto the signal. One call. Too long. I want to warn him, but I can't change what's coming.
Then everything happens at once.
He runs. Out the back window, up onto the roof. Barefoot, across the tiles. The last run of a man who had everything.
And then it just goes quiet.
The empire that seemed unstoppable ended right here.
No zoo, no cash, no army, just a man alone in a borrowed house.
He thought power like his could never end. They always think that. Empires always feel eternal, right up until the day they don't.